Ah, hey everyone, how you going? Well, the clouds have come back in, but I tell you what, we had sun nearly all day today. It was raining in the morning, and then we had beautiful, beautiful sun this Sunday morning. I tell you, the weatherman really got this one wrong. We weren't meant to get any sun at all today, but most of the day was beautiful and sunny. And the clouds have only just started to come back in again. And also today we got a pallet of 20 solar panels delivered. Only 12 of them are mine. It's just that if we're buying solar panels, a mate put another 8 in with the order, and he's coming up to pick his 8 up tomorrow. And the 12 of the panels are to replace the 12 on my roof. These are Jinko 440s that I showed you in a video. I don't want to go over too close because it's still got labels on the top and we don't want them readable. Let's go in and have a look at the computer at today's battery logs. We're at the computer now. You can see the time down the bottom there, 5:42, and it's Sunday, 7th of the 7th, 2024. All right, let's add some perimeters in here. Charging power. No, we don't want charging power. That's just a mirror. State of charge. And discharging power. All right, you can see here, well, the battery's actually full and it's just dropped down now, so it's 99%. This battery got full. This is on the 5 kilowatt inverter, and it has 3 kilowatts of solar on it, and you can see it got full very early. All the rest of the solar has gone to help charge the 2 Greenbank batteries on the 8 kilowatt inverter. Okay, but you can see down here, you can see here we've got this little power. Okay, all right, what happened this morning was I shut the 8 kilowatt inverter off and its battery off, and we disconnected the 10 kilowatt battery off the little inverter in the other shed, and that's actually gone out to the retreat because we need a battery out there. So yeah, I just quickly switched over, turned the batteries off to kill that side, and that let me safely dewire everything. And yeah, that's gone. So that's marvelous. Let's have a look at the 8 kilowatt plant, which is this one here. Okay, and you can see here. You can see the pink discharge power has matched, and then it dropped off to next to nothing here. It's tried to make up for it. The program's trying to understand what happened there, but basically that's when I shut this system off right here. You can see it plainly as day right there. See that line? That's when I shut this system down, and the system is trying to work out what went on here, the program. I wish it wouldn't do that. I wish it would only record what was actually happening. But anyway, so the discharge power got a little bit skew, but it might be right because we were getting in quite a bit of solar. Look, over 4 kilowatts in a cloud edge effect right there. Beautiful. You can see it was cloudy today, but we did have a lot more sun than they predicted. It was meant to be pouring down rain for the next week, basically. I tell you, it must be good to be a weatherman, all right? You can get it wrong 90% of the time and still not get fired. All right, there we go, people. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like. If you didn't, give it a dislike. But please comment, and if you can, and you have watched it to the end, thank you very much, because that's what counts.